Hello folks. So it just goes to show that you are seeing this exactly as it happens. There was no video on Thursday. I was away. We're dealing with a family funeral, so yeah, that's the reason for that. And I'm not sure whether this one will come out on Sunday or Monday. We might be a bit delayed. But just a quick update. Frame is now chopped and prepped and ready. You've probably just seen me chopping the rear rails off. I've now keyed the frame down here. So that's all ready for painting. We're only going to paint the rear loop. And I've been waiting for the mudguard to arrive. So these are all prepped. I'm going to need to put a brace in here to mount the mudguard. But the mudguard is here. So I'm going to let you guys see me unwrap this for the first time. Haven't seen it yet. It's from Speedwell, so hopefully it's all well and good. Get a nice recommendation and a link in the description below. If you haven't already, click like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and yeah, let's unwrap this and see what we've got. So there it is, guys. We've got a mudguard and it's absolutely gorgeous. I say it needs the final polishing doing, but it's exactly what I want. So frame is prepped. Turn this over. Gonna be a reasonably decent fit, not too gappy, if you can quite see that. But yeah, some chopping, cutting to do, but very happy indeed. Now, this isn't a build video. It's not for build series. It's just a check-in. I haven't disappeared. Just run off into the sunset. Yeah, just wanted to let you know I've been over to the unit, fetched the welder. I've got the welder. I've got some scrap steel, so I can do the last modification to the back of the frame. So that'll be Thursday's video. And yeah, I've also taken delivery of a very nice piece of artwork. Now, I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with the Shadetree Surgeon YouTube channel. It's a guy from Florida, absolutely astounding content, just really entertaining, lots of bike stuff, and just being out hanging out with your mates. And through watching his channel and numerous other ones, Chase on Two Wheels, Her Two Wheels, Blockhead, Helmet Head, and countless others, Motor Noob Rider, is the reason I finally made the jump to come and do this channel. So they're people that, you know, I owe a debt of gratitude to for giving me that bit of a nudge. So Shadetree does some stickers and different things, merchandise for his channel, which one particular sticker I quite liked. And I'm not sure, in some of the videos you might have seen there's a piece of artwork in the corner, which is a homage to my youth when I used to watch WWF wrestling, and my dad actually painted that. So as well as building phenomenal bikes and being all round, just, you know, he's just great, but don't tell him. Yeah, he painted that, and I sent him a picture of the sticker that Shadetree had launched, and he put it on canvas and posted it over to me. So without further ado, a new piece of artwork to go on the workshop wall, which is absolutely awesome in my view. You'll either love it or you'll hate it, but up to, for me, I love it. Yeah, so I need to find a space somewhere for that. Also been reviewing this situation. We've got everything everywhere, and I've got some racking on the way, which is on the wall here. So that picture's got to move. A little bit of racking coming back over from that corner. Hopefully, clear me a little bit more floor space. So yeah, good things happening. So frame is prepped and ready to paint as soon as I've welded that piece in. Excuse me, and yeah, we'll get sorted. So Thursday we'll be back on the build, and this is just literally a very quick check-in unwrapping of the mudguard, which is spectacular, and I went to show you that picture. So thanks for checking in, guys. Also, just quickly, the mudguard, the swing arm is on the way, so that's going to be an interesting project. But yeah, more about that when it turns up. So thank you for watching, guys. Really appreciate your support. We're really gunning up to like 200 subscribers now, which is fantastic. And yeah, if you haven't done, click like, subscribe, all the good stuff. And for now, till Thursday, take it easy.